As always, we've got pilot jets that are all plugged up from a CBR, and this is like a KLX 300. We couldn't get them to clean up, so we thought let's try a homemade ultrasonic cleaner. This was just some penetrating oil and PB Blaster in a Kraft or a Skippy peanut butter jar. So let's hook it up to our rig. This is just an orbital sander that we zip tied onto the lid of the peanut butter. Screw that sucker on there, and hopefully with the penetrating oil and all the vibration of the orbital sander, it'll be enough to knock all that stuff off. In case it fell off, I put it in another jug, but I don't know if you have to do that. And it seems to help if you strap it so it's nice and tight. It gets more vibration, but it's very unscientific. So let's give her a shot. Okay, and more time has transpired because it's going to take you, I don't know, half an hour, and then see what you've got. Four carbs, 4 pilots. It's a miracle! Maybe not as good as an ultrasonic cleaner, and it doesn't heat up, which might be good for extra stubborn ones, but it worked on a budget.
Yeah.